how you can track in Davinci Resolve. I'm going to show you in this video, so let's jump right into this video. So I'm going to highlight both, and then I'm going to go here to select new fusion, and then I'm going to drag the image here. I'm going to drag it onto the video. Now it creates a merge. Now I'm connect this to media out, and then what we're going to have to do here is to select media in, shift plus space, and then here we're going to write planner tracker, this one right over here. We're gonna add this here, super easy. Then select track here, also make sure you add your video, and then I'll move right over here, and now here you can try from point to hybrid, also perspective. I'll select change this translation. This is what works for me. I'll click on set reference time, and then I'll add this line. Okay, I'd like to track this right over here, those AirPods. And now what I'm going to need to do super easy is just to click on track forward. I just need to wait now, sit back, relax. It's tracking your video now. Super easy. It's not complicated at all. And now once you track your video, you're just going to click on create planner transform. And now we have this planner transforms. We can hold shift and add in this node. And now here, I don't need this background. Now what I'm going to do, right? Well, I have this merge here with the image, but I need to actually resize or change the size. Okay, so media in, shift plus space, and right here transform. We're gonna need to resize this with using this transform, and I'm gonna position this right over here, so I can position this right over here, decrease the size like okay, so it works without any problems. I hope you found this video helpful.